Time now for today's Throwback Thanksgiving. Some of the best chefs in the world right here in the studio to put some fresh spins on nostalgic holiday go-tos. So you know what to do at home right now. Scan that QR code. You can save all of these recipes to your free Today food account.
It's like Super Bowl around here. Okay, and we're starting with the main course. Up first, we have our friend Jordan Andino, chef and restaurateur at Carriage House NYC, who is drawing inspiration, he was just telling me, from your dad.
Yes.
For this hefty dish. Tell us about this.
Okay, so this right here is a salt-rubbed Dijon marinated herb crusted ribeye. Wow. Okay, this is the perfect centerpiece for every Thanksgiving dinner. And here's what you do. It's very simple. Okay, all you got to do is just treat it well. You're gonna first rub down the meat and just put that salt into every crevice, focusing on the fat.
What kind of salt there?
So this is always use kosher salt because it helps distributes evenly and you can control the salinity better, more so than like iodized.
And you grew up with this recipe.
This is something that my dad made. As soon as I could look over the table, I saw this as like the main centerpiece, okay? So then all you do here, once it's fully rubbed down, you're gonna have your marinade. So Dijon mustard is gonna add a nice little tang. Rough chop the herbs because it's gonna give it nice texture for when it chars. I like a nice bitter to it, all right?
A little garlic.
I don't know what you did here, man. This is
I told you. Try.
Okay, I was trying to wait.
I may or may not have set up the best bites for you guys, but either way, you got some lemon juice, 2 different types of oil, because you want the olive oil, and then a little bit of canola to make sure it doesn't smoke and fully kind of get too burnt. Then you're just gonna mix it up, and this is the best part. When it's nice and chunky, look at this.
My goodness.
You're just gonna pour it right over? Look at this. You're just gonna pour it right over.
That's it. Okay.
That's simple, okay?
Massage it back
and then from there, now you go back to the massage. Rub that in, right?
This is a well-relaxed piece.
Okay, so then what you're gonna do is at about 375 degrees for about, I would say, like 2 hours.
Oh my
Low
God.
and slow. You're gonna get a nice roasted char. It's gonna look like that.
This is amazing. I feel like I have to share.
That's a beautiful piece.
That's a nice char. Listen, it looks a little dark on the outside because you want to flavor that outside and balance that inner perfect medium rare meat.
Jordan, well done.
That's easy enough to make like anytime.
You can, anytime, all year round.
Wow, that's
you can use it for anything.
Amazing. All right. Oh my God. This is Thanksgiving. Of course, we are going to have some turkey, but this is not your traditional turkey. Stefano Secchi is owner and chef and co-owner of Resdora and the recently opened Masara in New York City. Congratulations on that. Good morning.
Great to be back with you guys.
Yeah.
Happy early Thanksgiving.
All right.
Okay, so Al's first off, is it pecan or pecan?
We
gotta settle it right now.
I say pecan.
Pecan?
I say pecan.
Oh, it's
so we're
pecan.
split right
okay. Yeah,
So you got some veggies already.
Yeah, we gotta get the veggies nice and caramelized, right? And then we make a little bit of hole in the middle so we can brown the tomato paste really well, okay? And we're doing turkey legs because raised turkey legs versus dried turkey breast meat just doesn't compare, right?
I agree.
Okay, so we're gonna get good color on the tomato paste, right? We're gonna add the vino bianco, the white wine, to deglaze. Okay. Then add the bay leaf, rosemary, and then brodo di pollo, a little bit of chicken stock. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna cook this down.
The way you say it.
Well, here's the thing. We keep talking about how do you put a turkey in the middle of the table that's not really dry and delicious.
Yeah,
that's
exactly.
but super delicious.
You don't.
This is the way to do it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then the turkey thighs go right inside. Legs go right inside.
Yeah, so those were those seared?
Look at that.
Yeah, and if you have them left over, you just smoke them the next day, and then you've got something for Super Bowl or for the Sunday, right?
Like Fred Flintstone.
Fred Flintstone turkey legs.
That's huge.
Okay, so this is going to cook down really slow, 350 degrees.
Okay.
And then we're going to make gremolata. So gremolata is going to be parsley, a little bit of salt, right? We're going to have lemon zest, some actual lemon juice, and then some breadcrumbs, pestle and mortar, polenta on the base, gremolata on top.
Oh,
I mean,
wow.
that's
This is fantastic.
This is delicious. And I love that you cut it up for us.
That's right.
So you don't have to gnaw on
you've seen us eat before.
Exactly. And if you want to crumble some pecans on top, you can do that too. That works as well.
Wow.
Stefano, thank you so much.